Yeah, good day everyone. This is Michael from SMB Consult, Michael Business Consult. A very welcome to this channel. If you are a new visitor, you are mostly welcome. You're a returning visitor, thank you very much for supporting this channel. I would like you to subscribe, like, share, comment when necessary, and keep on checking on the next channel by clicking on the notification bell so that anytime I post a video, you'll be one of the first to get these insight. So there's been an advertisement on the internet, especially Facebook and other advertising websites and apps about a cost save app. Though I intended to do a lot of these application about AI, how to write a research, getting your tools from start to publishing your research work, how to write academic writings and all those things. So this is the advertisement. I will show you that. So say master AI and 10 months into work into minutes. So master AI, that is the pro that's name, and these are the 28-day AI challenge. So day one was for ChatGPT, day two Grammarly, day three Midjourney, GitHub, Web2, ClickUp, Pixel, day eight is Speechify, Amazon Alexa for day 9, 11 apps for day 10, the Script, Assembly AI, DeepArt, Runaway ML, Calendly for day 15. Then Otter AI day 16, 17, Jasper AI, Quill is there. We have Google AI 20 day 28 for Canva, Crystal, Morph, Notion AI, Firefly, Clockwise will be 25. Then 26 is Stability AI, then Zapier for day 27, and Spline AI for day 28. So this is the course that has been running online by Coursera, and it comes with a cost. You have to pay some dollars before you can access this course, and the maximum they give is 30 minutes. So that was, yeah, it's 20 minutes, so 20 to 25 minutes for a day. Then they teach you. So we use tutorial. I'll be going in depth knowledge about some of these apps. So I'll start with Grammarly. I'll also do a Quillbot. I'll do ChatGPT and Canva and a lot of them. But for now, let's focus on Grammarly. So Grammarly, as the name says, grammar. What it does is it gives you grammar check, correction, and plagiarism detection and other paraphrasing tool over there. So it's help you to write your work well. Though in your Microsoft Office Word you have some of these inbuilt grammar checker, spelling checker that can help you to get things correct as you type, but this will go a little bit ahead. So I have Grammarly installed as a web add-in, as a add-in on this my app. I have the application also installed on my desktop, and I recommend that one. The add-in on your phone or the laptop might not work very well. So I have the extension for Windows, and I have it on the Word document. So now this one for the Word document, you see as now it's still logging in, so it's very slow. So Grammarly is here. It will come with this bubble, or let me say icon. Once you click on it, it will give you a suggestion of the corrections, clarity, and things that they suggest you make correction to on your document. So now you have to get internet access. So those in red are those that are need to be corrected, and you have to work on them. So there are some premium features and pro features and free features. So for every day, if you're on the free version, you have up to three pro features. So once you watch it, either you fade it in or not, it assumes you use it. So if you're not ready to use it, don't go and check. So now you see it's Gromeruli, but mistakenly it was Gromeruli. I would have just read and still bypass because I will have the Gromeruli in or at the back of my mind. But this app will not have those biases, and so you see Bloodstream 2, there's a mistake there, it should be together. So you click on accept, it will just correct it wherever that mistake was. So now there's another word here, adult skin. So it's saying there's a mistake there. So what do? You click on it, then it will take your test to that point. So I want that point maintains there. So you can search and you get to the point. So it maintains, there should be there here. So if I click on accept, then the there will appear over here as you have seen it, the there appear. Now change position comprises of 15, so comprises So let me take it back. I will document removed there. So it's better if your laptop is not slow to check where the correction is taking an effect. So an R so that is it. An R skin, so there should be an apostrophe. It was a possessive noun. So that is that. If you think you don't want to dismiss it, you can dismiss it, but it might later appear. So let me look at this one, the inner. So there should be, so it helps you. You see that there was no correction given by the Microsoft Office Word grammar checker, but this one will give you, and there are some pro features. Let me get some of the pro features. Normally there are those with the clarity and the other things. So bacterial, this is phase where bacterial code. So let's get some of the clarity ones. And if you want to know more, you can click here to get to know more. Why is saying it's correct or it's wrong. So once you read, you understand better, so that the next time you will have a better idea on how to write without this assistance. So these AI tools are just to assist you. They are not to become going to become so dependent on them. They are to guide you work faster and better. So don't rely on them 100%. Yes, you have to use them as a guide to help you write better. But if you are not quite sure, you can somehow rely on them, but you shouldn't be so dependent on them. They do make mistakes and they might not get the sentiment that you as a human, the emotions you are tied to whatever writer you are writing. So I still have my Glamoury app open here. So don't click or too close. You click anywhere on your interface and later the bubble will appear. Now I have it here back. So it's reading the mistakes. It has counted up to 15. I want to get the clarity. So I want to see if I get some pro feature here, then I will find a way and trick on how to bypass the pro feature. So let's accept this. So there are no more suggestions. That's what they are telling me, that there are still some more. I haven't got any pro feature as of now. So let me go and open a different document and see. So let me open this conductors. So if you are not subscribed to the pro feature, you don't get the pro feature. It's only 3 per day, so you have to wait for the next day. But there's a way of getting that done. I want to use it. I have done that in a previous video, and I cannot utilize them again because they are fixed. So let me open a different document, then I will check out. So now this is how it works. Later we look at how to download and get them. So they just to rise your appetite to read and you find this very good, so that you can know what you are going in for. So you wait for your Glamoury to if it's not loading, you want it fast, then go back to the app, click on it, then you click anywhere outside the pop-up here, then later it will appear. You can take it anywhere, but I normally put it down here or over there. So you see, still counting. We have a lot of suggested corrections. But let me tell you, not all are all mistakes. Some they just want to give clarity. So some are mistakes that you need to correct them, and some are suggestions, or maybe just to give a better clarity to what you have already. So all the red ones take very key note of them. So there's a connection here. So I think let's for the connection. So there should be, and we accept it. If you want to keep this formula, you can say dismiss and it will still keep what you have. So other forms of not other forms of it, so it will be off. So accept it this way. Now because there's the a transfer, so it all depends on you either you want to be specific or not. Because there's a transfer, this means there is a transfer not there. So it should be an indefinite variable, then you accept it. So based on the operations, you can get a whole lot of them. So that is how there's work. I wanted to get a pro feature, so it means that all the way to here is almost okay. So let's check. So you do this one after the other to correct all the mistakes in the article, and once you are done, they will bring suggestion about the pro features, just clarity and the rest. Here they sell everything you do the delivery. So here it just correct me that I have to work on this document. So let me go for another one again. So let me look at electrical energy. So likewise, if Gamma Ray is not coming very fast, you can go to the former project that I did. You go and click on the application down there on the taskbar, then you close it. It will come very fast over there. So if you don't want to waste much time waiting for it to load automatically, you do that and write that it comes. Very good. Now I get what I'm looking for. So Gamma Ray will appear very soon. So when we have a mix of colors like a rainbow, it means that there are other clarity or improved features for you. So I have 77 collections here. So let me look at. So this is any device. So this correct. So as a click on that, that is good. So this change the word can last longer. So it's not a mistake that it wanted me to get a very good clarity for what I wanted to bring out. So change the word 12 hours for, not at the cost of, so 4, make it simple. Let me accept it. So you go one after the other and it will check all these corrections for you. So accept this one. And that is good. Project delivery. And also questions, engagement to clarity is on point. So let me just change this one. So let me look at the correctness. Get another one. I'm looking for a one that will tell me about a pro feature. So I've just extended them in the previous videos which I had issues with them. So I couldn't upload. So let me get to my document and see. Let me just look at this small file here, configuration and parameter converter. I'm hoping I'll get some of the corrections that I'm looking for. So this clarity, so I can accept that one too. I'm looking for a pro feature, but unfortunately I'm not getting one here. What I wanted to show you is that you can bypass and get access to the pro feature. So I'll try another application and see another document and see. So you just click on those that you think are correct that need to be changed and remove. So these are very big. So let me check the front things. Sometimes I can get more than 100, if not 2,000, depending on the volume of work and mistakes and suggestions that they have. So as I saw those in red, actually there's a mistake that you have to correct. So I can just click here and get it. So let me see for clarity. So clarity, this one. So basically, so I can check then the engagement level. There are no suggestions, delivery. There are not. So if I don't get some for the purpose of this video now, I'm very sorry I can't get some now for you. But if I don't get, I'll show you just for explanation. So sometimes you click on something to tell you it's a pro feature, but it will indicate to you that there's a problem over there. So once they indicate you there's a problem over there, what you are supposed to do is to copy that word or make a correction. So use your own grammatical understanding and knowledge in English to make the correction. Then once it's okay, it will not indicate it as the mistake again. And also what you can do next is you can copy the same text for a paragraph where there's a so in case there's a mistake, take it to ChatGPT or any other AI app, tell the app to rewrite it for you and it will work. I had a practical demonstration, but unfortunately the first two videos I did, one there was an interface covering it, the other one too, sorry to say, it's only the display that came, that is the home screensaver. So the audio came, but the video didn't come. So I couldn't use that one or upload it for you to watch. So sorry for that. So let me try if I can get one. I want to be more practical so that you can see what you say seeing is believing. So I'm not getting the pro features any longer. So the document that I use first, I am just going to save it to see if I can get such one. So if you are free to get all three, just select all of them and we move on. So all these are free. All these are free. All these are free. Let me try this document too. So that is how the Glammarly works. A very, very good app that helps you to make corrections in grammar to your work. So that your work will look at top notch without grammatical errors, clarity, engagement, and all the important aspects will be in your work. So as I indicated, if it talks about the pro feature, it will indicate you there's a mistake, but it will be blurred. So if it is blurred, what you do is you either make an input to read it well. Once you make a mistake, you find a way to identify. So if you're good in grammar a little bit and you're told that there's a mistake here, you should be able to fix it by either taking a word, putting some words down and doing some tricks. It can get you there. You can copy to the file app like Quiver, you can take it to ChatGPT, tell it to rewrite it with clarity, research a command, it will work on for you. So yeah, I'm doing the next try. If I don't get sacked here, unfortunately, very good. There's one here, a pro suggestion, so clarity. Metabolic waste are eliminated through there. So let's accept it and see. So let's you can get another pro. So sometimes they give you free pro features. So this is a pro suggestion, expression is defined. So let's accept it. But there are some of them they will cover it, so you will not have access to it. So if they give it for free and I think it's okay, you select it. As I told you, not all their suggestions are final or true based on the meaning you want to carry. So if it aligns with the meaning, it's make very good sense to you, then you just select it over here. So with the pro version that they gave us, we had to do it for free. So if not for free, you do as I told you. But unfortunately, I'm not getting search for us to look through. I'm trying for the last time. If I don't get any document that will give search it, then I'll move on to the other aspect of functionalities of. Okay, let's look at this document that I typed some time ago. Maybe this one will have. At that time, I was not used to grammar, so I'm sure a lot of mistakes will be here. So it's going over 100. See, let's wait for it to finish everything. Once it stops, it means that that's the 175 suggestions of corrections. So social studies should be capital, and that is true. But it depends on the context you have to check. So 19th century, let's look at how we wrote it. It was written at 19. So there was no hyphen, so it should be hyphenated. And the suggestion. So if that is true, do such justice to that. So it works on any other reason. So here we are getting almost everything for free, and some are redundancy. So here decision of their society of their own. So either it's there or not, it doesn't make any impact for you. But maybe to make it personal, you can do it that way. So that is how the grammar app works. So It's unfortunate I didn't get what I was looking for. So I want to use a very last document. That's the chapter 2 of my MPhil thesis to see if maybe we can get some of these things. So I write grammar through this document that I saw there'll be some suggestions here. But this is not the final chapter 2, it was the first draft. So don't be alive, you get about 1,000. Yes, they are just pointing out the mistakes or possible suggestions to get a better draft or manuscript. So let's keep watching. I have 172. I think that is all for now. So you see, develop a society. So I should accept that. Then put there should be a hyphen. And the 20th century, as the previous one, it should be. But still, we are on the social. So let's go to my document. We are still in the social document. So let's go to chapter 2 of my thesis. Now that we have it opened, if grammar doesn't appear, okay, now it's here, so we just click on it. Let's take time for it to load the suggested corrections. Well, it can't be just one. Why only one? Yeah, so it means that, yeah, I remember that I ran through a lot of this grammar. So here it was taking that the feces eating, but fees are not eating, they are ingested. So I didn't accept this, so it's dismissed. So unfortunately, that this my thesis I ran it through grammar, so possibly it's only one suggesting there's no mistake. And maybe the one that they are suggesting, DS will rather make my work wrong because feces are not eating, they are rather ingested. That's simply enough to my work. So it's unfortunate that it didn't work on this one too. Now let's go to the internet to see how it works. So let's check on Grammarly. So you type in Grammarly on the web. Once we type into Grammarly, we get into the internet, then we look at what will be done over there. So we go to grammarly.com. As the free AI assistants, you select that. Okay, once it's opened, so now that is it. And these are some work that I did. The 5 condition results, genetic equilibrium, some assignment. This one is SOP I wrote in December 2020, before December 2023. So it's more than a year getting a year and some 2 months. But I still have it. It's 2022 rather. Yeah, December 2022. So this was what I had over there. So 2 years old, but I still have it in. So should I have lost it, I'll have a backup here. So you can have AI write for you or suggest for you. Look at how to use ChatGPT to write some of these things without it not being detected or bypassing the detection. So when the internet is strong, you can get this. So I'm hoping to have document. So you can upload your document online, then you check it. Every time to be available there. But if you are not safe or okay with that, you just implement or add it to your browser, download the app, then you can use it once you are typing the internet. So now this is my work and it said it's called 82. So if I keep on making the changes, initially it was 80, we move to 82. If I make all the correction now it's 81, the new came down, going to be 20, and etc. So let's make the correction again. So now back to edit. So if you keep on working on them, the score will go very, very high. So you need that, that's the correctness, the clarity is here. So this is still more to improve your thoughts. So try for free by signing up to the premium version, and later you'll find out your own way. So this is how people do. So the premium version is $12 per month and the 7-day trial. So people will do this, so they have the money to pay, they'll subscribe for it, they'll add their credit card or debit card over there. Then when the time is due, maybe a day or two, they will just cancel it. If you're also okay and luck doesn't remove you, you have access to the 5 days or 4 days and the free trial, and you will not be impacted. So with that, you have to get several emails doing that. If you can't go to that house and have the money, you better you buy it, or you use the free version, but you incorporate the other things that I taught you. But you will not get access to the plagiarism vector and other functionality. So there are some assets that you will not get, and you have only 125 word limit. But if you're on the pro, you can get access to a limitless access to some of these things. And it works even on any online. So let me get to ChatGPT. Let me type something and make a mistake. It works on. I have it on my laptop. It's activated, so anywhere on my laptop it will work. Anywhere on my laptop, if I'm filling a form, you can make correction solutions for me, and that's very very good. So let me type anything that will make a mistake. So how are you? I'll make you go where I'm making a mistake. So let's see. So Gamma is now working here. So now it was who. So here to make the selection. So here go in. You see it has plotted the way for me. Let me show you. Then here I'm trying to stay away. And here if it's okay for you, here it doesn't see this as a mistake. So it means I have to do the correction. So because both will be a right. So okay, let me add this. You see that it suggests wrong, something like wrong, because the next one that looks familiar is wrong. So let's see if you can suggest wrong for okay, you see where were you going? So that makes a good sentence, because wrong where you go it doesn't make sense. So you see that it works very good here in everywhere that you are working. Okay, so let's go back to the Glamoury. So that was the SOP I wrote some years ago. And you can, so the more you collect it, you have to get 100% score. So let's go back. Now how do you get this on your laptop or your phone? So you go to the Glamoury app, you sign up and you have access to all these seamless features. So after signing up, now there is the app section. Grammarly for Windows I have installed, so there's no need for me to install again. If you are new to it, you can install by clicking on the option here. Now Grammarly for iPhone, iPad, I don't use one now, so Android I've installed it, but it's not, the device is not linked to this laptop. So when you click on it, it will take you to an external place where you can download. So let's click on it and see what will happen. It will take you to App Store. So if you have BlueStacks on your laptop, you can download it. So I have it already. So you can just type in here, let me say Grammarly for Windows. I have the app, so let me say Grammarly for Windows. You can see desktop. So I have downloaded it already. So and in the previous video that I couldn't publish because of a technical issue. So I can check my downloads and I have it there. So you see my downloads. I have Grammarly somewhere there. So for you, if you are new to it, you follow all the steps to download it, so that you can have it installed on your laptop. So now you see it's here. So once you click on it, it will tell you to install it. Then you install it on your phone and extension. That will work everywhere. So if you click on it, you just click on install. The laptop will just install it. Then later you can come to your set button here. You type for Glamoury. or you go to stats and apps, you get it there. So all depends on how you want to get it. So let me type Grammarly. So after going to the process I just show you, you come and type Grammarly here. Or sometime after loading, some application will tell you to open, or some will say close. So if you say open, open is better. You don't need to come and follow these steps I'm doing here. So let's type Grammarly forward. So you can just, as I was saying, you can type Grammarly here. So once it's show, you go to open. So Grammarly will show here very soon. So once it's show, that's the app. So that is the app. You can just go straight to open, or you pin to taskbar. So I have pinned mine already. So I pin to this one, every time you can have access to it. So let's go how to get there for the desktop or the office word. So with the office word, you can go to the Microsoft Store. So let's go to Microsoft Store. But I recommend the one on the desktop because you work everywhere. The one in the office mode will work only on the Microsoft Word. Though I have it, but I normally use the one on the web or the application. So the ends didn't come, but I'm sure it will give you a good suggestion. So that's the Microsoft Store. You go there, then you type Grammarly, then you download it. Then you go to Google app and you select it and it will be done for you. So if you enjoyed this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you haven't done already, so that most of the videos you get access to it, get notified by hitting the notification button, so that anytime I put a video you will get it in time. So Grammarly AI writing tool, you are searching for it in the Microsoft Office web. Once it comes, you download it. If you have downloaded it already, it will be no need for you to do it. So download. So open up and download, so you will have it working for you. So you see, Glamour is already available on my PC. So if you don't have it to download, but because I have it already, it is telling me that I have it, so no need to download. So that's the process that you follow to have it installed on your laptop. So that's how we use the Glamour app. As I told you initially, if you can't subscribe to the Pro feature, you will not get the other features like the precise tutor and the rest that you can have access to get access to the Pro feature. To give you the suggestion, and you will copy it from that AI to rewrite this for you. Use your own grammatical and basic understanding to write it. Once the signal processing is on, means that you have written a perfect writer. So that is that for the day. Thank you very much for staying with us. The next tutorial will be on Code on ChatGPT and other AI tools combined. So stay in tune. Hit notification button, share to a friend who needs it. So as a student writing your research, proposal, teaser, everything, you can use this one to help you to write it better. So you shouldn't let your supervisor be correcting grammatical error. It should be about technical, scientific, and let me say key things. So you shouldn't take this and dump it to your supervisor and a lot of grammatical errors. It will not convince them to read your work. It will make it very difficult for them, and that way the work will be difficult for you as well because they will find more interest reading your work. So if you correct something like this, your supervisor will have a difficult reading your work, and at least once it gives very good first impression now. While the grammar is good, but the characters, the lecture can work on very fast. So you as a secretary, you need this one. Anyone that writes, you need this one as your grammar checker to supplement and complement the one that we have on Microsoft Office Word. So thank you for staying with us. Comment, like, share this video, subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and catch up to you very soon. Thank you very much. Bye bye.